Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you home remedy. So guys can see this bitter kola. So guys know the work of bitter kola very well. Bitter kola is good for body. It clears sugar for your system, and again you burn fat. So if you are eating bitter kola always, you won't have problem of stomach pain and sugar level. So bitter kola is very good in the body. It work like magic. This video is just a short video, it's not long video. So I want to show you another way of eating bitter kola. So guys can see these 3 pieces, can have enough as you want. But this is 3 pieces. So these 3 pieces, the thing you do, you clean the chaff, you remove the chaff. You now cut it into pieces. It's very strong. If you are doing it, you have to be very careful with your hand because it's strong. You cut it small. So guys can see. So I just want to show you guys another way of eating bitter kola. You know, some people find it very difficult to buy bitter kola like this and chewing it. So if you don't want to buy it and chewing it like this, it's another way. You buy it and cut it in pieces. You pack it and put inside your glass and put your water. See, and put your water, then you soak it inside the glass. You soak it inside your tumbler. Can see it. So when you soak it inside your glass, you can leave it like 5 minutes. When you leave it like 5 minutes, you now drink the water. If you are drinking the water tastes very bitter, but it's good. It's good. So if it's hard for you to chew in it, cut it in pieces and put it inside your glass and add water. You can also soak it inside your swan water bottle and leave it and be fishing the water small and drink it. It's very good. So if you are having sugar sugar level, you can take it. The thing will wash it down to bring it down. So when your sugar level is high, that is what causes BP. Your BP too will be high. But when your sugar level is normal, your BP will come down. So if you are having that challenge, I advise you guys to go for bitter kola. Bitter kola is very good. It works like magic. When you soak it inside your glass like this, you can drain the water. You can fish the water and drink it. So when you take it morning, afternoon and night, and your sugar level is high, when you take it, go and test it. Take it complete 1 week. Then check your sugar level. You see that everything is normal. So it's just a short video, it's not long video. So I just want to show you guys another way of taking bitter kola. So please buy it and try it in your home. It's not a cost something. You can hold 100 naira, hold 200 naira, can get like this one. It's just 200 naira. You buy it, wash it, then peel the back. So I peel this one. Peel the back, cut it small, put it in glass or swan water bottle and leave it like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you started fishing the water and drink. You see the result. So it's just a simple video and short video. So that is all for bitter kola. It's very very good in the body, and if you can chew it, it's good. Just buy it, peel the back, but before you peel the back, make sure you wash it. Then you can chew it. You can even chew this three at the time and chew it. This one that I cut and these two, you can chew it at the time, so you don't get any side effect or anything. To help you to flat your tummy, to clear everything inside your tummy, and you'll be free. So that is all for bitter kola. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment and share it to a loved one. Please, we meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.